Alright, man, thanks for tuning in to another one of my videos. I got a 12 car 36 volt charger. The charger's not coming on. So what I'm going to do is take the cover off the charger. It's an electronic too. It's got the crow's foot on here. 36 volt crow's foot. This is actually a 48 volt car charger. So what we're going to do is, the customer said he had dead batteries in his car. So we're going to open it up. Make sure you unplug it from the wall and unplug it from the car before you do any work on it. You got your relay here. You want to follow your wires coming from your AC power. The white one's tied together, the black one goes to the relay. So you want to take you got a brown, and then you got a brown. You got a brown and an orange wire. And then you got two black wires. You want to take the two black wires loose off the relay. Alright. And get them loose. You want to take them and hook them to each other. See, that went there. And then it went to the relay on the box there. Let me see something. I'm going to take this off here so I can show you better. Now I can give you a better view. That wire that's there, and that wire went here. So what you want to do is take the two bigger wires and tie them together. Or what I normally do, I just take it, and this wire went here. I'll just, let's see here. It went like that. There's how it went. You need to take this wire here, which is the end of it, and just hook it right here where this wire went to. And instead of hooking them together, you just plug it in right there. And what that'll do, whenever you plug the charger in, the charger will automatically start humming, letting you know that you got it bypassed. Let's see. And you can hear it humming without even plugging it into the car. Just let you know it's bypassed. And I'll plug it into your car, man. Leave it that way for about 3 hours. And then I'll hook it back up how it normally went. Always unplug from the wall in the car before doing any work on the charger. Thank you. So stay tuned.